Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love.
Perched dramatically on the edge of a windswept cliff, the tiny black house stood in stark contrast to the lush greenery of the surrounding landscape. Its form was a study in minimalist elegance, a perfect cube of jet black volcanic rock, punctuated by a single, graceful round arch that framed the entrance. A full-height glass door, seamlessly integrated within the archway, offered a breathtaking glimpse of the interior and beyond, inviting the outside in. Inside, the house was a sanctuary of tranquility, a testament to the power of thoughtful design. The open-plan living space, bathed in the soft, diffused light filtering through the glass door, was a harmonious blend of comfort and sophistication. The floor, a polished concrete slab, exuded a cool, contemporary elegance, while a plush, L-shaped sofa, upholstered in a rich, charcoal gray fabric, offered a haven of relaxation. A small, yet perfectly appointed kitchen, tucked discreetly into a corner, boasted sleek, minimalist appliances and a compact island that served as both a workspace and a breakfast bar. Opposite the sofa, a wall of glass, seemingly invisible from the outside, offered panoramic views of the endless expanse of the ocean. The effect was mesmerizing, as if the house was suspended in mid-air, floating above the crashing waves. Outside, an infinity pool, seemingly merging seamlessly with the horizon, beckoned with its shimmering, turquoise waters. The edge of the pool, seemingly non-existent, created the illusion of plunging directly into the ocean. Sun loungers, draped in luxurious fabrics, offered the perfect spot to soak up the sun, while the gentle caress of the ocean breeze provided a constant, soothing soundtrack. This was not merely a house, it was an experience. It was a place to escape the distractions of the world and reconnect with oneself. It was a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blurred, and the rhythm of the ocean provided a constant, hypnotic pulse. It was a place to dream, to contemplate, and to simply be.
Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.